Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So today I got this in the mail, and this is a winner unboxing. A winner unboxing. I hope you see I didn't damage at all the label and the envelope. It's not so important, and it's not a big deal if I do damage, but opening up something without damaging is just so relaxing for me. I just enjoy that things are in the good condition. So, oh, so perfect. I should put a piece of plastic or something to stop it from sticking to each other. See how clean. I open up this. It's fun. Yes. Uh-oh, I damaged the paper. No need. I should not need to do that. Anyway, that's fun enough. Okay, we will open up this. Ooh, perfect eyebrow in seconds. Imethod Beauty. Imethod Beauty. One eyebrow stamp stencil kit. We will open it up perfectly. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. The ultimate brow set. Stencil, pomade, sponge brush, dual, ended spoolie, angled brow brush, all enclosed in a zipper pouch for your beauty drawer or handbag. Let's beauty together, huh? I want to make it perfect without damaging it. Look at me. Look at me. Zipper pouch. Oh, this is the zipper pouch. This is pretty good. I actually would like nothing with any name. That's what I prefer, but I can deal with it. I can put money, coins. Yeah, that's a quite strong bag. I like it. And this is a stamp. this is for stamping. And this is for the eye. And this is the eyebrow set. Wow. 2 sets. Are they the same? Oh, one is left, one is right, maybe. How do you fix? Oh, it's like this. You press it out and it will be very easily peeled off. Then you can stamp sponge. Oh, this is the beginning, this is the end. Let's see the shape. Like this. This is a little bit more tilted, a little bit flat, a bit longer. Is there an order? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4. 4 different. That is it. She is beautiful enough that she doesn't need this, but it doesn't hurt to be a little bit more delicate. Different kind. You can clean it. It looks pretty strong. That is it. You are the best. Determine your ideal eyebrow shape. So it has totally 8 and 4 pairs of eyebrow, and you can so this is evening. One day I may use it. One of these days I will keep it clean and nice. Yeah. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. See the left side? She is pretty enough, don't you think so? And this one looks a little bit more, making a little bit more effort, don't you think so? And this one, she's beautiful enough with this, but with this looks more more effort or intentional, right? Not intentional in a bad sense, but intentional in a good sense. It's really highlight and focus and it is. It's brighten up your eyes, right? Everything the same, but the eyebrow, it does change your face feature. That's about it. I love you. I really do. Oh, let's see the color. Oh, I love this little box. Wow, that is so good. And I like, overall, I like it because it's not too many things, too much things. It's small, it's compact, and it's good quality. See color. Yeah, it fits into my color also. Bye for sorry for the noise. You may not need that piece of paper later on. Let me put everything back in. I think this should go inside fast. And this one is this one is not bad at all. Okay. Bye for this little pouch bags. Oh wow, look at it, just perfect. Bye for